Today we are going to learn how to make ekuru with nylon. All you need is your black eye beans or any beans of your choice. Next, you soak it in the water, wash it until you get off the chaff. When you get it neat this way, then you allow it to soak for a few minutes. The next thing is to transfer it to your food processor and blend it until you get a smooth consistency like this. Don't allow it to be too thick and don't allow it to be too watery. Then the next thing is to tie it in a nylon, just like the way you see me doing. But before tying it, you would have put your water on the fire and allow it to boil. Now we're done tying the ekuru, the beans paste in a nylon. Tie it neatly this way. The next thing is to take it to the boiling water, add it to the boiling water and allow it to cook for about 25 to 30 minutes. Our next ingredient is our ekuru sauce. Here we have our tatase, our bawa, our rodo and onion. Next is our panla fish. I like panla. I love it in my ekuru sauce. I love it so much. You can use any fish of your choice, and I also have my moimoi here. I also like moimoi in my ekuru sauce. You can use any fish of your choice. The next thing is to wash our pepper behind the camera, which I have done that. I have my tatase, I have my bawa and my onion nicely washed. The next thing is to transfer it to a food processor and get it nicely blended. Then I have my fish here, which has already been washed behind the camera. I like removing the bone. I like my panla this way. Wash it neat with salt and warm water. Then you get your pomo washed this way, which I have done that behind the camera. Both the inside and the outside has been scraped off. The next thing I prefer using groundnut oil, though I use palm oil at times, but today I decided to use groundnut oil. Add your onion and allow it to infuse into the oil for a few minutes. Then add your panla, stir it for a few minutes. Next, you add your pomo and stir it for a few minutes. Allow the onion to infuse in the panla and your momo. After that, then you add your blended mixed pepper. Oh no! Then you add your seasoning, add your salt, stir it very well and stir it until everything is combined together. Then you cover it and allow it to boil for a few minutes. Wow, our ekuru sauce is ready. You can use this sauce to eat yam, white rice, boiled plantain. Our ekuru is ready and now ready to be devoured. Wow, yeah, this is our ekuru with our ekuru sauce. If you know you have watched this video and you like the recipe, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe and turn on the notification button so that whenever I upload my next video you get notified. Please share this with family and friends. If you know you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit on the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day and enjoy. Don't forget to give this a try. You will love it and your family will love it. Bye bye.